Ha kajingja kabala ban keno bakade kajingle Bym Suidñiew Doktor bat nurse jong kadangat PHC hathai mosun ram kawai ka Longkmie kala Khlad no Kha Shiteng Lynti ban poi sha hospital hadir makala sukhahi ya ikhlung hapneng kajing sitom ha katei ka PHC ya kani lalap hadin bo wemele ka mosun ram uba HM Shangpliang ulalit tukit na katei kajaka sumar hadangar penyekendo Doktor nurse bat kumjuru ya kibahiyeng kani ka Longkmie ka Khlad kibahiyeng jong kani ka Longkmie bala Khlad kaya thu kumne
dan Doktor dalalik khutpat dalawan suan pe mal chipang tu lalik biang na nang Doktor padai par daklingang kan no bajen kha ndru baje san baje shubun ndru san baje angta mesti ndru baje san baje ni lalik khot lapang biang lalik khot pa khot dalawan supe lik biang na dang Doktor angta ta ba ong dang Doktor tengi angta yang lik shwa syahing lik simsha ni wan no ne ni lai ngut ni wan ino tang ya misan barwe hanta por ku khan khun badon tang maru upe je no pe ya khun ne pe ya jab ne le khoi Doktor ne mla shu dala le ngi pru la lamar dar bos dala ngi kisam ka shuslei long ba odo sniang long kupta apa kami le ka yuro le bar umro kami dang tu jingtia kami ka la slei selamat khoi la long ba odo basi hadin dala ara ngi haus ong ta dala le ngi ong la shu la no sunram kami pa soru hatang monsunram orang nah monsunram marsunram dara ngi ru pendajakin si barolang si lengti pendajakan si kumtu ra ngi kumtu ya bro dala ara par la poy monsunram porsun monsunram ro hapo kam hapo hospital kumrungi ra hatang haket ong belahang ne ra no sha lomali ong kunta te hadin pat ngapat ngong had nakali ni para lokdom para ong pidon pisan am dolai hajar hakti ngadon tong sana jar ngat puno ya nana ne habalong ay yuru aba uni hite chan mo yangi tinggal punya nana onana ya muni wal awa para hasal lemno ong nana pa no upawan ra wat no wat ra ona te ong ta hadin nga utun na ya ambulance driver ru ong apsya mo bangan pun chayeng te phak sanget ne sanget te utu driver ru ule di sha utun nong pangrol panjang latkan aja yang ong kili songjang don kan tenang kai di songjang na puntun lali simja puntun asyamot puntun hadin nana pun biang lawan ne patwan yang patwan dang bisa driver ong kiwut lekut patun slam shu re lekut wut dala lekut lawan ne lawan hadin ngirano shobun poi tersat ola poi tersat haning tersat laleng bro laleng ong la shu ra no yang asya na sya ngadaya pya hayen ong kunta ngam shu bendring mersim ong kunta tengah hadin ngapun sange ya dan belas ong apsya sange kalau asalnya don langus away sindrang but driver one ang tu hakam rai bat seperti aye ya tu para one pendai oksigen la tes kum tu ngam tip hadin ulah long bayap no ngat ngam tip duruhang tahi yap no tang bara ha lapoi hayu ha mau pulang hospital sange ngong beli sange ba ong tangah kali ong apsya ngin pechua hospital ong kunta dalale duruhang hospital belum dan syu la ya mata yang atu dos don syu bro gumta
nakaliang Doktor pat uyot ho ba layale kat bala banyarap ya kani ka Longkmie namar bakap nak kham
and the nurse is helping me to massage the uterus and all, but still the placenta is stuck inside, and we start the IB oxytocins with the 10 units of oxytocin and 500 RL mixed with RL, and we started. Still we are not able to deliver it, and when we try to pull little bit, and we found out like with the examinations the placenta was ruptured inside, it's tear already. So after we found a tear because it need obstetricians. At the time we need obstetricians, so obstetricians is not available in the PHC, so we call 108 and we refer the patients to Shillong. Actually first is the PHC, so we have to refer to the Mosiram CHC because PHC is under the CHC. So we refer the patients to the CHC. And 108 team also responded immediately. So after that my ambulance, PHC ambulance took the patients, and they found 108 ambulance at Jalap. After that, like according to the news, not for sure, but they entered the Muslim CHC, and the Muslim CHC also found that the case was difficult, so they have referred to the Shillong again. So unfortunately, the patient was expired around 2 o'clock, as per the informations, unofficial informations. So the patient was expired at 2 o'clock. But we have already sent the patients in the early morning of 7. They left from 7 a.m. in the morning. So regarding these scenarios, there is some rumors and some news are falling around. There have been the hospital staffs are not cooperating, and this thing. Regarding these scenarios, our ambulance from the PHC ambulance pick the patient up from the home, actually. So if the PHC ambulance went in home and pick up, so I think this news is little bit when arriving also, we already know that ambulance went. So we are here already, and I'm the only one who's in night duty in that day with 2 of my staff. So this kind of news is falling outside, so it's very unfortunate. Yeah, we feel very sorry for the family members and locality. But from our PHC side, we're doing our best, because we already mentioned the patient is high risk, because she is already mild hypertensive, that is pregnancy-induced hypertension. Second of all, she have obese. So obesity, and previously she have a stillbirth also. So this kind of case scenarios, we already mentioned that it's a high risk. So we need we need ultrasonography. So to find out the positions of the placenta, to find out the positions of the baby, that we can deliver normally or not. Another thing is transportations, and the third thing is communications. When sometimes the patient is from the Kamarfield and Sanatola side, or the patient is from the another the areas where the vehicles are difficult to go. When we got a call or the ambulance went there, and it take times. So when they rush to the PHC, it's almost we have almost still we can do the procedures, but the time taken through the transportations, it take long time. Second things, when we advise the medicines, as my experience, I have just 4 or 5 months in the duty. So previously, I don't know. According to my experience, there are just some medicines the villagers, and we have to give a lot of awareness. When we prescribe a medicines, they won't take full course. So they will just take around 1 or 2 days, then they will change the medicines by themselves. So this is the main factor of they don't get the effective of the medicines. And some traditional kind of doctor. So traditional treatments, people's also, that the way of treatment of them and the way of treatment of allopathy or ayurveda is different. So for them it's herbal treatment. So so many times I got a patient here, they got injuries outside, they got accident, and they put some herbal medicines on it, and that herbal medicines, if there is some virus or bacteria on that, then it fell to the body.
Tu pada ngila lara ikhlo ting bu hapa bagi wama ngila pan kunyi tenang tu pada niu de kapasentang ngila ande kapasentang sakit kami tenang kami pada tu pada lanu umlat de kapasentang tenang kasakut kapasentang lanu ro.
Ubak siyang piang ulapun pa ko jing sungkya halor kani gajing le asting u doktor bat kinas kat hadu bakani ka Longkmie ba Khlad Shiteng Lynti bat uloong bo unsim khia ya kani bantok kit hakmat ka Women Empowerment Committee jong assembly.
Dasi lepo ni handangat niwan ban jurip ya kani ka jingjia ka basungsi hakaba kawai ka Longkmie gradu ya jim jongka hakapor pa kadang dia bahkan yok kelung. Nilai wan ban ni kendo yaki doktor ba kinos po hospital ni po dangal. Tingi sutu ba kat kum gajing batay jong doktor uang ba ka case kalong complicated. kadai ka kes ka bala don history menchua dia kadai ka kes ka ba dese kila wara dirpor ya ka Andrei ka ba phala ka long ba ke gadau ba doktor admit ya ka patient ka ba kum kata la da usung thu ba kadai ka patient ka ba don history ka don complication dia ka jing si shaw la de bon refer ya kum ka ni ka case Shaki Hospital di badan Hasor Shillong. Ndrei ubu ya ka barok simit ha ka ward bat ha ka jingtia. Bayala de kumangi sutu. Doktor bat kinos barok kilai lit hai shelayen. Te kane ka beliau kala sukha nadu Shiteng niat nadu kipor sibeje ter nda kipor san beje san Shiteng kabri kamla syasu but kilalet ban kersiu yu doktor kilalet ban kersiu kinos kat nawan kinos ki doktor kani kabriu kala kha ya ikhlung hajing thia amde hapo oti hapo jing thia kala sukha te nalor kata kabriu kala don complication lupa ni sutu ba kim sumla bakin sei ka placenta na kani kabriu te ndala serious kabriu ki khot ika 108 kila kit ong bandra no sosilo ndrek basungsi kalong tang poi Shiteng Lynti hatrasat kabriu kam don show andang iladap na hospital ngilale bani kendo ya kibahieng bahasem kisah hadang ardok kibahieng bahasem kidap da kejing jing bitar ya karukom trekam jong ka hospital bat ki doktor kajing bitar jong kibahieng bahasem kalong hadu tata ba kila dawa badai bang pensitom yakum kini ki doktor bat ki batre po kaneta hospital kadau kalong penaduk khadwe beje menit balai ra ya kani ka beliau apo dangar PhD ki doktor uwan usupet usu examen uang dang don por ban kha in sepet la shaman step te dapoi kata borok simit kumangala batai mene kani ka beliau bokti ka sukha ka don ka problem haka ndrei ki doktor kilalet shalayeng sila quarter kilatia abalet kersiu porsan beje mestep ru kat ba kersiu kat ba kendar hieng ru kimpli nda kiwan hadien te wong papat depor ap sasikat tu ni kabriu kala sukha baro simit nda mestep ru kala su u doktor uwan pe wong pat depor ta ing sepet sasipat de hai depor kani kabriu ka kha yai ti khun hajing thia amdei ro hawoti kata ka penpau ka jinglong careless nakaliang u doktor nakaliang ke hospital bakim simla ban assess ya ka situation kim simla ban assess ya kata ka emergency jong kan kabriu te hadu banda poi bandu ke mesin ndrei ukhlung ukhlung le ukhia hadu 100 kilo tam ndrei ka kemi kim simla bakin penin ngaso thu ba kaladon sisa kajing le torti nakaliang ke hospital nakaliang u doktor bat ngaso thu ba lada u doktor ulashim ya karai hakapor menit ban ong ban pha ya ka sha shilong shaki hospital ki babiang ki dawai dasin ki babiang ki jing ki tiar sumar te se ngimrat dadu ya kan musim joka te kajing ang pangnot jong ka kemi jong kan kabriu ka bayam jong ki bahieng hasem jong ulok jong ki khun kalong adu kata ta ka bangim la mudur ba kabriu ka baklan tang arpu prasnem kaba klain kamet apat ndrei kan sud kut na musim jong ka tang balik Kha Khun te kalong ke kabalik se inum la ban pediang nakaliang jonga kum unong mi khmat kum emele ngan ra ya kani sha ka sarkar bat ha ka singin kom ngila khot yu DHS ngila khot ya principal secretary jong ka health department ba ngan bishar ya kani ka kam lengba ka women empowerment committee ka women empowerment committee ngin ya syong ha ka sinung kom ha ka por khat arbaje bat ha kata ngan dei bangan bishar ya kani ka kam bat ngan pha tokit ha ka department jong ka health baka dei ban tokit ke ka daw baka ni kajia hang ni po dengar ba amde ka sin ka benangkong ha kani ka hospital dengar nado baka simti kani ka biham kadi ka NGO baka peniat ya kani ladon bon kum kini ki kes baki yap ki khlung ki yap ki kini ibawan ban Kha Khun hang ni ngadawa na ka sarkar baka di ban weng ya kani ka NGO nang ni bat badai ban wara da ka NGO lani ka sarkar ka di ban simti no ya kan ni kapit si bukan penyaji na ka health department dalade kata kalong ka jing dawan ka jonga dawan nungkong ka de bandon ka inquiry akan ogadur bakane ka brio ka yap ka dawa ka baar baka sarkar ka de banweng ya kan ni ka NGO na kan ni ka hospital na dangar bat bade banwara no da ka government hi bakan penya ya kan ni ka hospital ada kamla ban penya ka government dalade ya kan ni hospital ka de banwara da ka we ka NGO bak hamla ban ai ke jing sakri ya ki pai ba ka ni ka thanjungi ha border ka jongi kum ki opposition nakaliang ka congress haba don man kapor nilampu hakmat ka sarkar ya kata ka maternal mortality rate ibaki khot MMR ya ka infant mortality rate ka bangi khot ki IMR bakini ar ka MMR bat ka IMR kala kiu hadu atau taha kini ke jelaju ni tinggi laju ong ya ke sarkar baka health department baka de bakan cek ya kini de banwanra da kiwei girukom ban penhiar ya kini ke rate of mortality laka de ya ki kini nela ke de ki klung re hadu menta niyo i ban nakalian ke sarkar kimla ban le kimla kani ka kes ka ba jia dangaro kadai kaban kentiu biang ya kata keriat jong ka MMR kani kade MMR te ha kani ka dangar pi siru ki IMR ki babun dengan tip show nakalian ka sarkar kinle ha kana kudu namar na ka sarkar kami na ka India government of India ru kala ai ka jingtho man ka por ya ka state government ba kadai bakan penhiar ya ki MMR ba IMR andrai ajaka ban hier ka MMR ba IMR kandang kiu kat man kesni kat kadang mi sni kadang kiu sidang kiu te ya kani ngi hab bishar ba ngi hab ya page ba kan nakaliang ka department nakaliang ka health department ki de bikin check ban wanra ya kita ki interventions ke ba ka sarkar kami kala ai ka government of India kala ai labun ki interventions ngiladon ki field workers ngiladon ki ashas ngiladon ki health workers ngiladon ki rukom bade ban check ya kan bun ki health facilities kum ki ultrasound kum ki x-ray machines ngimdon haka PHC kat kani ka PHC ya ka dangar ka border barok way ka kabar adu south hotli ki shnong apo kani ka dangar kaway ka x-ray machine dan kaway ka ultrasound machine dan te kumnongin kren kumno pin check ya ka jing armet jo ka brio lada pim tip lengba ki ultrasound lengba ki x-ray machines te tanghang taswa te ki vaccinations ki timely vaccinations nanta kita ki regular check up te pibu iki asha bakin le you ki asha ki de ban yarap iki ni Longkmie ban kit ban ba iki transportation sa ki institutional health facilities te balay hadu menta kidang don ki home deliveries haki nong kendong ki briu ki shania ban Kha Khun hakti jo ki dhai ban balay sigi hospital tangamot kim don ka jing shania ya ki hospital ka confidence level kimpatla ban bill na kaliang ki hospital ban ong ban kring yakini yaki Longkmie ki ba armet ban ong ban wan Kha ki hospital lada jia kumni manusuk ban wan ban Kha Khun hapo ko hospital mener untai ki ong itu ki ong kumno gitu hapo ki bahing bahasem ong banda tip kumtu bakan hiap kan ke brio hapo hospital ngila dewan pen khai ka hayeng kata kalong but discourage ya ki institutional delivery tenamar kata ka sarkar ka dewan pekmat no ka sarkar ka dewan le ya kano ka interventions ka bala ban kring ya kini ki kmi bakinwan ban regular check up ban lej ban Kha ki hospital ban yo ekijing sumar hakepor kababiang
ha ka jo ko por u ba sang pliang ulo no sinyang ya ka ni kalong yeng